Hi up guys, in this video I will show you how to follow playlist on Spotify. Firstly, before I started with showing you on this explanational video, I need to invest you that following and liking this section, it is the same thing. Now I'm gonna show you what I'm talking right now. Firstly, go and search for on playlist for getting to an artist. For example, we'll go with this artist, and as you can see I will type for this playlist. Now what I'm gonna do now, I just need to get up and take a like or just make pump a heart on my left side, and as you can see it's added to my library. I need to go now on the third selection, your library, and then I need to find out the album or the playlist side that I have saved from this artist. Now as you can see guys, with this we have also followed playlist on Spotify. Thanks for watching, don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys, have a nice day.